Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up everybody? Laszlo here and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. Today I'm going to teach you an amazing card changing trick which you're going to use to change any playing card to your spectator selection. Yes, it does require a lot of practice, but after perfection, it is one of the most visual card color changing tricks. So without any further ado, let's begin our today's video.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Streakstar406. Follow him on Instagram, link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, here's how the trick looks like. First of all, you're going to take a deck of cards and you're going to shuffle it just like this. Your spectator can shuffle it as well. Now you're going to ask your spectator to touch any playing card. For example, let's say they touch this one, the Ace of Spades. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the deck and you're going to shuffle it just like this. And as you do like that, you can see over here, I have the top card is the 5 of Hearts, right? Now we need the Ace of Spades. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 5 of Hearts and I'm going to give it a flick and it changes into the Ace of Spades. So that is the shapeshifter color change, guys, and let's get into the tutorial. Okay friends, this is how you actually do the color change. First of all, you're going to have your spectator select a playing card. They can select any playing card. For example, let's say this one, the 9 of Diamonds, and you're going to control their playing card to the second position in the deck after the top card. So that is the main thing first you have to do, or you can just do a color change without your spectator selecting a playing card, just to show that you can do magic tricks. So after your spectator selects a playing card, you're going to control it to the second position from the top of the deck, and then what you're going to do is you're going to turn over the actual top card and get a break under the spectator selection just like this, and then turn this card over and place this on the top of the deck. Now you actually have a pinky break over here on the top two cards, that is the spectator selection and the card that randomly appeared on the top. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this corners, you're going to take this card, you're going to hold these corners just like this. If you're doing it with your left hand, like I'm holding the cards with my left hand, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come with my right hand. At the bottom right corner, I'm going to grab this corner, and on the top left corner I'm going to grab over here with my middle finger. So that is the exact grip that I'm actually holding the card with. So after I pick up the card like this, I actually pick up two cards. So that is the exact thing. If you were actually holding the deck on your right hand, then you would probably go on the bottom left corner with your left hand and on the top right corner with your left hand middle finger. So what you're going to do right now is you're going to take these two cards together and you're going to grab it as I shown you. Now you're going to bend it down. This is very important because after turning the card over, your card should be bent up just like this. Now as you're bending it down, then while you're going to flip it, you are pushing it inside with your index finger, and then you're going to also pull two ends of the card with the thumb and your middle finger. So as you do like that, you push over here with your index finger and pull down on the two edges. You actually cause the card to spin if you actually leave from over here at the thumb position. So as you create tension and you leave your thumb, the card will actually try to spin, and since you're going to pull it down, the index finger will actually cause it to spin this way and the card will end up like this. And since you have actually bent the card just like this and you have done the color change just like this, it will look like that the card has started with a bend on the top because of your index finger pushing the card on the top, and then as you end it, it will look like that the card has actually ended just like this. Okay, so for that reason you need to give a little bit of bend and then you're going to do it, and that is going to cause the greatest illusion of this color change. And this is called the shapeshifter color change because you can clearly see the shape is like this, and after the color change the shape comes to this way. So that's how you actually do this card trick. and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you do like this, and yes, if you learned something new. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing card color changing technique called the shape shifter. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @Shoal_Zari. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.